So I gotta do this shit, dude. Some of that mayonnaise on there.
And this is, what day is? The 22nd of May. Somebody's supposed to be on diet. We ain't gonna tell nobody. We won't tell nobody.
I'm on that I put some carbs in there, bro.
Okay.
That's how you do it.
And what's on that sandwich? What you just put together?
No problem. Like a McDouble with half a crispy chicken sandwich in between the 2 pieces of meat. That's how it's done, dog. That's how you do that shit. Like that.
Diet time. 13 weeks out.
Yeah, that's how you do that, you know.